like this. A business company provides commission to its sales agent on the basis of following monthly transaction. So if you make, okay, imagine you are a sales agent, and if you make the sales of that sales for that company up to 40,000, then 3% of the commission you will be getting. And if you, that means if your sales is below 40,000, at least 3% commission of that sales you will be getting. And but if your sales crosses over 40 to comes under range between 40 to 70,000, then that remaining, well, from that remaining part you will get another 4%. So sales above 70,000 you will be getting 5% commission. That means more you are talented, the more the commission amount you will be getting. And here are the three different situations has been given. So this question will be for three different sales agent. Okay, so one sales agent who has made just 36,000, how much commission you will get? You will get. And another sales agent is making 55,000, how much he will get, he or she will get. And the last one is 92,000, and we will be calculating for all these. Okay, so let's begin the idea. So question number 3C, number one we are going to do. So number one is just 36,000. Your sales value is 36,000. So when I see the 36,000, so 36,000 definitely comes under this range only. So I don't need to break it into the any section. So directly you can calculate the commission with this commission percent. So your commission percent is 3%. So what is your commission is going to be? You need to calculate right now, all of you. Is 1080, right? So this is the first. Okay, this is the first question was easy because the first question's sales value just comes under this range only. So what if your sales value is more than this 40,000 and comes inside this two range? So when how to break it? So that is a very important technique which I'm going to explain. So your second sales value is 55,000, and now we have to break this according on the basis of the question. So first let me break by making the diagram. So 55,000 comes between 40 and 70, isn't it? So just you just need to break into two sections. So first section is obviously 40,000, the last value of the first part, and second section should be the remaining of 55,000. That means it is 15,000. Okay, and remember this 40,000 will charge 3% commission, and this 15% charge 4% commission. Okay, now let's calculate. You can calculate commission first, commission one and commission two in this way. So commission one equals to 3% of 40,000. You have to calculate like this, whatever comes, and then calculate commission two. You just need to see this, and that is 4% of 15,000. This is commission two, and then finally total commission is equals to, okay, I'm writing C1 plus C2. Okay, this is commission one plus commission two. The solutions. Okay, 3% of 40,000 is 3 by 100 into 40,000 makes 1200. Yes, and here is 4 into 15,000 divided by 100 makes 600. Right. So in this way, the total commission is 1200 plus 600 is rupees 1800. So this is our category. So 0 to 40,000 charge is 3%. This is 4%, and this is 5%. So first you need to make sure that 92,000, does 92,000 carries all these? Yes, of course it carries, because definitely 92,000 crosses 70,000 and above. Now we have to break this 92,000 into three categories like this. Okay, I'm making this diagram. 92,000. Okay, So definitely 3 means you. I'm going to make 3 boxes, and inside these 3 boxes, I have to put the values with the balance. The last one is for balancing. Okay. Okay. So just put the last value 40,000 in the beginning and year. So don't put the last value. Year should be the such value. When we add these two, it should be 70,000. That means it is 92,000. So no, the total is 92,000. So 40,000 has gone here, and till here it should be 70,000. Means that I have to keep here 30,000, because when I add these two, the 70,000 should come. Does it really make that? Yes, 40,000 plus 30,000 make 70,000, and the last one is should be the remaining of 92,000. So that when I balance it, there should be 92,000. So this is very simple. The last one is, so 92,000 minus 70,000 is 22,000, right? So 40 plus 30 plus 22 is 92,000. Okay, now this is commission one. This is from here. Commission two will come. So this is 3%, from here 4%, from here 5%. So you can write commission one equals to 3% of 40,000. Commission two is 4% of 30,000. Commission three is 5% of 22,000. All right. So in this way, calculate all the values and then add as total commission. Okay. So this is 1200. So what is this is also will come 1200. And what about this one? 220 into 5, 1100. So total commission is 3500 rupees. 3500 is the total commission.